all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we're going to be doing our Orrery. So we are going to do stage 3 of Build the Orrery. Got a name for this one, and it came from a subscriber, D. Harris, calling it Solar Sunday. So here we are, we're doing Solar Sunday today. We're going to be working on Earth today. So basically we've done Mercury, Venus, and now we're doing Earth today, so I had to really think of my planets in order then. So yeah, this one should be fun. Now normally I would try and follow the video guidelines, guides on this one, but they're a bit messed up, I've noticed. So I've actually gone through the instructions and I kind of understand it actually a bit now that we're about, you know, we're up to stage 3 of the build. So hopefully I can do this from the book and not from the videos. Fingers crossed. Anyway, let's get started today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, let's get started. So we need some pieces first of all. So we're going to need this piece here. We're going to need this piece here, this piece, and this piece. And what we need to do is we need to pop this piece into here, and then we're going to put this bigger cog underneath. Now I want to make sure I get this in the right direction so you can see the shiny bits, because one side is kind of a dull side and one side is quite shiny. Okay, and I'm just going to line this up with screw holes. Then we need some M2 6mm brass screws. We need 3 of them. So these are here. I shouldn't have to hold this too much once I at least get one of these in. Okay, that's one in there. And I don't know if I said this before, but the one downside about wearing a cotton glove is you don't get much grip with the cotton gloves, but it protects the brass. But I can't wear a glove on this hand because this is a hand I need to grip stuff with. Okay, so that is in place there. Now this second cog is going to go on top. And you want to make sure you line it up with holes you haven't already really put screws into. Or are you? Yeah, you are actually. Okay. We need 3 more brass screws. It says you are, so just making sure that is definitely the shiny side. I really don't think it matters if you screw it into areas that you've already put a screw in. It's coming along nicely. I wish I could afford to get this out quicker and do one every week. But because I only get a delivery every month, it's just the way it goes, unfortunately. I mean, I can order more, but it's affording it. Okay, so that is now in place. Right, so the next thing we need to do, we just need to put a grub screw just down into there. So I'm just going to use one of the Allen keys they provided. I'm just going to screw that in just a little bit, not all the way. I don't think you oh no, you do screw it in all the way. Okay, I was wrong. So all the way in. Okay, fantastic. So just moving that to one side for a second. Next pieces we need is this piece, this piece, oh, this piece, and these 2 pieces. So what we need to do is This top bits with the kind of bits on is just going to go through there like so. And then we need to lock it in with this piece here. We've done this before. And then we need to put this cog on with the sort of flat bit there. And that's just going to go on. It's very enjoyable to build this. That's just going to go on. Just trying to line it up. There we go. And then we need to screw this in with a 6mm screw. This is a 6mm brass screw. Onto there. Perfect. And then underneath, we need to put this cog on. And that needs screwing in with an 8mm screw. So it's slightly longer. Okay, and that nicely moves. Okay. So the next thing we need to do, just looking at how this is laid out, we need to bring over our mechanism that we've already been building. So I'm just going to undo. That's just to the side of me. I need a bigger Allen key for that. I think it's just the next one up. Size up. Is it that one? Yes, it's that one. That was it, just releasing. Okay, so here we go. Not bothered about the sun. I'm actually going to take that out because it can be a little bit annoying, actually, to be honest with you. So, what we need to do is we need to get, just working out, 2 seconds while I just figure this one out. Right, okay. So, this is going to go on. I'm not sure where this is going to go on. Right, okay. So this mechanism here, I'm going to go to the top camera. This mechanism here is going to go on to there and engage like so. Then when we've done that, just looking, sorry, I'm getting a little bit confused here. I think, yeah, once we've done that, 2 seconds. Right, once we've done that, we need to then put this on. Do we need a washer? I think we do too. Like I said, this can be confusing, so just bear with me a sec. I think just the way it's laid out in the instructions, it's just a little bit confusing. That's the only thing. Right, we need a washer on there. Then that onto there. Then another washer onto there. And then this is going to go on to here. Right, okay. Then we need another little grub. Just try and get it on the Allen key as I'm holding all this. And then apply this on. I can kind of see how it's all lining up now, actually. Sorry, I'm off camera view a bit. Okay. Right, I believe I've got that in the correct way. Right, so last thing to do is we need to pop this piece just into the top, just there. So that just fits in there. Then we've got a cog and a rod here. That is just going to fit just onto there. Okay. Then what we would do is we then need to put the earth through there, because that's the moon, and then that would fit on to there, and then that would, we can rotate everything. Pretty cool. I like that. That is brilliant. That is looking amazing. I'm really chuffed with that. And that's all there is to do for stage 3. So I managed to do it from the instructions. Sorry about the pause when I'm just having to work out what I'm doing next. It's just sometimes where they want these washers put in. But that's it. That's our mechanism so far. I'm really, really chuffed with that. I can't believe how well that's come out. So guys, that is it. That is all there is to do in stage 3. So that is stage 3 of the Orrery complete. Well guys, that's it for Solo Sunday for stage 3 of the Orrery. Now that was really enjoyable. It is a very, very enjoyable build, this. I love anything with gears in it. I used to love Lego Technics and stuff like that, and how these things all work. That was really, really interesting to do. Very relaxing as well. And working with all brass is a different skill as well, so I'm really thoroughly enjoying this. Anyway, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please now subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.